Hey guys, so I just finished mowing the lawn and there was a light mist before I mowed it, so it got pretty dirty and lots of grass clippings inside of it. And I wanted to show everybody how this deck port works in terms of how to wash your Craftsman mower. So pretty simple and straightforward. So all you need to do is just take your hose and you attach it to essentially this nozzle that comes with it. So if I screw this on, then there's a spot for it right here on the side of the mower. You just clip it on. You can hear once it goes on, and then all you really need to do is just turn the water on, let it run for a little while, and then you actually start the mower, and that's what will get all those grass clippings out of the blades. I found it works pretty well. It takes a little while for the mower to be on, and it feels kind of weird having the mower on with water connected to it, but I'll just do a quick demonstration of it. So as you can see, if I move the camera just a little bit, there was a decent amount of grass in the mower after using it, and the deck port works pretty well for cleaning it. So give it a shot. Let me know if you have any questions.